August 2nd, 2024, our second loft fly. So we're gonna try put the birds in and we get like 5 birds out and we see what happened. Jay said one more bird just landed, so let's go, Jay. Start whistling. Walk over there with him. Just walk. Walk straight up. Okay, walk towards the loft. Right there's one in the sky. Right now I just kind of trying to guide them in. Kind of bombed about Houdini, but hopefully be back today. Jace, put them in, put them in. Okay, step back. Going in much better. There we go, there we go. Right there. Just seen one bird fly right over too. I think that could be Uncle Ham's bird. I'm not sure though. Jay said he don't think it is. I think I'm just hoping right now, but it is what it is. Yep, that's one of them, the red, with the mark on the head. So far, he's very successful, but except for that few fly-offs. Jace, step a little bit back.
Just that one.
Just this one.
The other one.
And then whatever. Always get somebody being hyper. Wait, Jace, wait. Oh, there's one more. Okay, that's good. That's good. Doesn't look like Uncle Ham's bird, but it's one of our birds.
That's the one that doesn't know how to land.
Yeah. Jace.
The one who landed in the tree. One landed.
I'm gonna get this bird in. This video is getting close to the end, but that's training. That is training, and until we redesign this loft and put the trap on the top over there, this door is the easiest way that we're gonna get them trained in a jiffy. Those birds are coming out, so we just gotta close the door even if this bird don't go in. Come on. That's the one hesitating right there. Got him in.
The dark loft's big island of Hawaii. Oh yeah, boom.